Hello everyone, this is Hanbong Kim from GoodTask. On this video, I'll explain how preferences sync work on GoodTask. From version 5.4, GoodTask uses files to sync preferences. Files are saved in iCloud Drive, GoodTask, Settings folder. On iOS, go into Settings, iCloud Sync. You can set Automatic Preferences Sync turned on, and when you change the settings, it'll automatically be synced. You can also manually upload or download. Automatic Preferences Sync and Manual Upload/Download will run on below selected options only. You can select Lists, App Icon Badge, Appearance, Theme, Quick Actions, and others. Each are saved in separate files. Theme is used to sync user-generated themes. If you use different accounts on other devices, unchecking lists will make it work better. If you manually change files in iCloud Drive, you need to change or remove date field to make the app refresh. Notification settings and selected theme settings, drag and drop settings are not synced. Under each options, device and time will be shown for the data that's in iCloud folder. When you choose to download, it'll download data from that file and adjust your settings on device. GoodTask related fields such as repeat after completion, manual sort, and auto snooze are saved as files in the same folder too. Hope you enjoy the app, and I wish you good health. Get it done with GoodTask. Thanks.